This video is to take you through the activities for the opening week of your Biology 116 course at Virginia State. So of course the purpose of this video then is to orient the students on the activities that are to be completed in week 1 of summer's Biology 116. So the first set of activities revolve around getting us some introductory information on you. So you will find these activities under Module 1, and they are a pretest and a student background survey. So if you were to click on Module 1, what you'll see is a Biology 116 pretest, which is to be completed by 11:59 p.m. on May 23rd, and a student background survey. If you follow the link that is there, you'll open up a survey. It'll probably take you about 10 or 15 minutes to do it. It'll give us some information on your background as well as how you tend to approach problems. Neither one of these is graded, but it will provide us helpful information on you as a student, where you're coming from, what biology background you have, what information you know, so we can try to best serve you with this course. The second set of activities are actually graded activities that are found in Module 2, the first of our content modules, and they include doing your readings, viewing some lectures, as well as doing some what we term preprints. So once you click on Module 2 in your navigation bar, you will see your overview lecture area, which is where you're actually getting this from, the learning objectives for the unit, but then down below that, the reading assignments for this unit. Behind that folder lectures are a series of lectures on some of the topics that are there, and in some pre-assignments which are to be completed by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. One thing to note with the reading assignments is that we also do include a summary PowerPoint. Please note that PowerPoint is to supplement your reading, so to help you to see some of the important stuff, to pull out some of the important videos, but it is not to replace the actual assigned reading, so you actually do need to do all of the readings that are assigned. Good luck this week.